Hello friends! Today on Cooking with Claudia, we're making garlic spaghetti. This is an amazing pasta dish. It's cooked with garlic infused olive oil. It's very flavorful and easy to make. Let's get started. We're going to start by cooking some spaghetti. I dropped my spaghetti into a pot of salted water. I'm going to cook according to package instruction. While the spaghetti is cooking, I'm going to prep my other ingredients. We're using some parsley and a whole lot of garlic for this recipe. I'm going to slice the garlic just like that. The way we're going to cook the garlic, if you try to mince them, they're going to burn. So make sure you slice them, okay guys? I've gone ahead and heated up a pan over medium heat. I'm pouring in some olive oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to get the sliced garlic and toss them into the oil. The garlic will start frying and bubbling up right away. So once that starts to happen, you're going to turn your heat all the way to low. Then we're going to let the garlic cook on low heat until they turn golden, just like this. The garlic is going to infuse the oil with so much flavor. Once the garlic has turned golden, you're going to turn off your heat. Then you're going to scoop about half a cup of the boiling pasta water. Pour that into the garlic oil. This is going to stop the cooking process. Mix everything together, then remove the garlic oil from the heat and set aside for later. By this time, the spaghetti should be done cooking. You're going to drain off all the water. I'm pouring the spaghetti onto a serving platter. Then I'm going to season with salt and black pepper. Next, I'm adding some red pepper flakes. Then I'm pouring the garlic oil all over the spaghetti. I have a whole block of Parmesan cheese here. I am going to grate it onto the spaghetti. You can add as much cheese as you want. I'm going to add some freshly chopped parsley. Then I'm going to toss everything together. Before I bring this to the table, I like to top this with some more Parmesan cheese and parsley. And that's it, you guys. This garlic, olive oil, cheesy spaghetti is ready to be enjoyed. You can enjoy this on its own or serve it as a side with my lemon pepper chicken. I'm going to leave recipe cards at the end of the video. The spaghetti came out really good. It's very garlicky. Garlic has so many health benefits. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there.